Major legal systems. There are three major legal systems in the world. I'm sure there's a lot more than just three overall, but the major ones are civil law, common law, and religious law. Civil law is one of the most common legal systems in the world, and it uses laws and statutes to determine what's within the bounds of law. So the government, the legislative branch will enact the laws. They'll write all the laws, and you have a judicial branch who will interpret the law. And in civil law, precedent is way less important than the statutes themselves. So it's really what is written in the law is what is followed. In common law, which is a system used in the United States, Canada, and the UK, and most of the former British colonies, precedents and the cases themselves are more important than the laws and the statutes. So you still have the laws and statutes that are made by the legislative body, but you have interpretations of the law based on prior cases by the judges that are crucial to common law. So as society changes, the laws change, and it's not so cut and dry as you have in civil law. So the major difference between civil law and common law is that in civil law, it's almost totally dependent on statutes and legislation, excuse me. And in common law, it's almost entirely, or it's very much based on precedent and case law. The last one is religious law. So it's the religious doctrine or interpretation is the source of the legal understanding and the statutes. Islam is one of the most common religious law legal systems, and within that you have Sharia law. Sorry for the mispronunciation. And you also have it for Judaism, Christianity, Hinduism. You have various different systems of religious law. Islam is probably the biggest form of religious law out there. So that's it.